Enjoy the presentation tour. There are 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom in this spacious 1,436 square foot listing. To arrange a time to stop by and view this listing, or if you would like more information, please contact 505-898-8899. That's 505-898-8899. Thank you for your interest in this listing and enjoy the presentation tour.